Good Sunday morning, everyone. If you guys are seeing this, then you are signed up for the email list, and we do exclusive Sunday videos. You've got a link to this in the email that you get from me on a weekly basis. So today we're doing a sign carvers of the day. We're running a bit behind. These are from February 8th through February 24th, 2023. So if you sent me a picture, it should be in this group. If it's not, then be sure and let me know. We've got a great group of 20 here. Let's get rolling. Rob Lindsey, this is a piece of redwood, 11 by 16, 2-inch Western letters, and he did this for a friend that just bought a ranch. Looks terrific, Rob. I love it. It's got Ryan's stencil on there, Ryan's Happy Place stencil on there, and big Western letters. Great job, Rob. We have John Arend. John makes amazing signs. We've got several signs here that he made for us. So made this for a beer distributor. They're local to him, and looks fantastic as always, John. Great job, buddy. Next we have Don. Don, I think it's Slipper. Don, great job on this sign. I love the flag, and again, thank you for your service. Obviously, 20 years in the military. We so appreciate your service, and you're doing great signs, buddy. Keep it up, man. Next we have Dave Broadhead. Dave Broadhead, great job on this Gone Fishing sign, 12 by 24. Used obviously our Gone Fishing stencil. Put a czar finish on there. Love it. I love the color. I love everything about it. Great job as always, Dave. Next we have Lon and Leslie Orrick from Canada. This is 9 inches by 4 foot long, select pine, English oak stain. Lon did the carving and Leslie did the glitter white paint. All the white sparkles in the light, so it's kind of reflective. Great job, you guys. Love it. I'm sure somebody's going to be happy with this if this isn't for your personal use. Just love it. Great job. Next we have Pete Alvarado. Pete has been to one of our classes a few years ago. Obviously is doing great signs. Pete just retired from law enforcement where he trained canines. And this is a gift for a real estate agent in Arizona. Kelly's gonna love it, Pete. Great job. Absolutely love it. Next we have Luke Schultz, John's Man Cave. And I don't have any details on this as far as signs or size, but looks terrific. It looks like it's oak to me, but some kind of hardwood. But great job, Luke. Next we have Kim Deckard, 4th sign, and made for her husband for Valentine's Day. Jeff's Garage. I love it. I love the checkered flags. Great job, Kim. Next we have DJ Hickey. He made this for his mom, and this is 5 by 34 cedar. Used all of our supplies, a couple of our stencils, and our layout letters there. Great job, DJ. Love it. Next we have Dwayne. Dwayne, and this is one of his first signs. Used 2 different stains, pan and pastels for the beak. Next we have Joseph Ortiz, and this is his very first sign. Pretty spectacular, especially for a first sign. Obviously, you got a knack for this, Joseph. I love it. Great job. I love the color. I love the design. Beautiful work, buddy. Next we have Jose Hernandez. This one is spectacular. Jose obviously knows how to paint, knows what looks good, and the color is just, I don't know, it's almost luminescent. Just looks fantastic. I love it. Great job, Jose. Next we have Kim Oceanbine. So Kim did this one, obviously D&K Custom Wood Signs, and I love the whole design of this, the colors. Got the stars up in the corners. Great job, Kim, as always. Next we have Alan Bayer. This is 11 by 11 clear pine. This is only Alan's second sign, and that is really good for only your second sign. Love it. Great job, Alan. Next we have Teo Salgado, 18 by 32, obviously live edge, and it's in Spanish, and in Spanish the translation to English is Little Corner in Heaven. I just love it. Teo, you're doing great stuff, man. And I know you've been following us for a long time. Beautiful board. I don't know if that's walnut or what it is, but man, that is gorgeous. Great job. Mario Vasquez, he kind of has a niche down there. He's building ice chest covers, which is very popular, and then adding personalization to it. And I love it. Furring strips, 2x4s, and the sign is Cedar pickets. Great job, Mario. I'm sure you've got lots of customers that want stuff like this. Love it. Trent De Sawtells, I hope I'm saying that right, Trent. 20-inch edge glued pine, and he made this for a friend, the Detroit Tigers. Absolutely, it looks flawless, man. I love the color. You're doing great work. The circles look absolutely perfect. Beautiful job, Trent. Joshua Grafton, first signed for his wife for Valentine's Day. So he actually entered this into a scrapwood challenge from Jeannie and Davis. Big YouTubers. I've seen some of their stuff. Great YouTubers, and he entered this into the scrapwood challenge for them. Great job, Joshua, especially considering this is your very first sign. Absolutely. I'm sure your wife loved it too. Next we have Ron Snow, very first sign, 25 inches by 30 inches. This is cherry. Love carving cherry. So nice to carve. He made this for a display wall at his church. So great job, Ron. I'm sure everybody at church loves it. Terrific job. Last but not least, we have Ealing Home, and this is a piece of oak. Made this for his friend's anniversary. Did a great job on this, Ealing, and those single inset letters there, not that easy to carve, especially in oak. Congratulations, you did a great job, buddy. So there it is, you guys. That is our sign carvers of the day today. Don't forget, if you guys are seeing this, you're probably already subscribed, but if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure and subscribe to our channel. If there's any questions we can answer for you, please let me know, eric@makeawoodsign.com. If you're seeing this and you have projects that you want us to feature for you on the sign carvers of the day, just shoot them to me, put your name in there, and I will add them to the list. So we'll have many more of these coming up. Thanks so much, guys. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.